In 2024, LinkedIn introduced Premium for company pages. This is a paid account with additional features not available to free company page accounts. The problem with this is that it's quite expensive for the features that it offers, and the benefits do not quite seem to add up. For smaller businesses, the cost of this is unlikely to be of benefit. For larger businesses, it's just a drop in the ocean, and it's an excellent idea to take advantage of those features. In this article, you'll find out what those features are and how they work. But let me tell you about it from our perspective. So in March, we joined the Premium for Company pages as soon as it was offered. We cancelled in December. The only seemingly useful improvement to our company pages was an increase in our follower count. Now, of course, we already invite the maximum 250 connections to follow our page each month anyway, but this did seem to increase that speed. Now, with organic reach on posts, which you probably know on company pages is very low, we had thought that being a premium member might help. It might increase our reach substantially. However, it did not. In fact, it didn't move the needle at all. So yes, while we liked the features that were available, which included some extra external links and a testimonial on the lead-in page or the page intro, we did not find it to be of value. Now, when LinkedIn originally launched Premium for profiles, the same was true. It wasn't worth the money. But over time, LinkedIn has added feature after feature after feature that is only available via Premium. So our plan is to keep an eye on the new features as they become available for Premium for company pages and see if it is worth our while reinstating that later in 2025. We'll keep you posted.